Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. This is your grade 7 Oxford English book and your page number is 164. This is your unit number 9 and the topic is Saved by the Beast. This is a classical fable and we are going to read it on page number 165. Androcles and the Lion. It happened in ancient times that a slave named Androcles escaped from his master and fled into the forest, and he wandered there for a long time until he was weary and almost dead from hunger and despair. So cruel a beast summoned Androcles to him and asked him the reason for it. So Androcles told the emperor all that had happened to him and explained that the lion was showing its gratitude for having been relieved of the thorn. Thereupon the emperor pardoned Androcles and ordered his master to set him free, while the lion was taken back into the forest and let loose to enjoy freedom once more. Okay, this is your story, and now at the end of the story, we have only 3 questions. Question number 1 is, what do you think would be the best moral to write at the end of the story? It's all about gratitude, mercy, affection, and kindness. So you can write, for example, gratitude is the sign of noble souls. And your question number 2 is, what does this story teach you about human behavior? Again, I would say it's all about affection, mercy, and kindness. So you can write about human behavior having these qualities. And question number 3, do you think that there is more than one moral to this story? Yes, of course. You can write more than one moral to this story according to your understanding. For example, mercy brings its rewards and whatever you like. It's up to you. Okay, thank you so